everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted 30 ounce meal prep containers. I love these. They have 2 compartments with this really nice thick divider. So everything is going to stay where it needs to stay. They come with leak-proof lids that really stay on. These are dishwasher safe, microwave safe, freezer safe, refrigerator safe. They're reusable, or you can dispose of them. It kind of depends on the situation. I love these for lunches because as you make your lunches for the week, let's say you make yourself 5 lunches, you put the lids on and they nest together. See how the bottom has little ridges and then they nest right on there. So you can stack several of these up and they do not take up a lot of space in your freezer or in your refrigerator. I like to meal prep and make like 10 to 20 different lunches. And then you can put these in the freezer and then you just take them out for the day and pop them in your lunch. So this is 5 of them all stacked up. They're also great because they can fit in your drawer. They take up very little space because they all stack together. And I did want to show you, I used bread for a good reference. This is just store-bought bread. You can fit a whole sandwich on this side and then some fruit on the other side. Super easy. Close that up and you are ready to go. Love a meal prep container. These are great, super high quality, plastic, really nice. You are going to love them. Microwave safe, refrigerator safe, freezer safe, dishwasher safe, safe for all the things. So definitely check these out. Love them, recommend.